What does it take to build the world's most powerful missile? The journey begins long before the first metal is cut. In high-tech laboratories, engineers push the boundaries of physics, designing every component with extreme precision. Digital modeling software simulates every scenario, ensuring flawless performance before a single part is manufactured. The secret lies in the materials. Titanium alloys for unparalleled strength and carbon composites for feather-light durability. Raw potential, perfected. The foundation for a new era of strategic power is now ready for creation. The missile begins as a series of advanced aerospace components, forged from the world's strongest and lightest materials. In a facility where precision is paramount, the future of aerospace takes shape. Precision robotic systems weld each radar-evading panel with micron-level accuracy, ensuring perfect structural integrity. Inside, a digital nervous system is installed, a network of cutting-edge electronics that will guide the missile to its target.
The heart of the missile's power lies in its propulsion, a masterpiece of chemical and mechanical engineering. Here, propellant is cast, cooled, and stabilized to withstand the extreme forces of launch. Engineers craft a robust motor casing, designed to contain immense pressure while remaining lightweight. The combustion chamber and advanced ignition system are installed with pinpoint accuracy. The fully assembled motor is now integrated into the missile, the core of its flight power. After rigorous testing, the propulsion system is ready. Next, the brain that guides the beast.
In modern defense, precision is everything. It begins with the core of the system. An advanced navigation computer, the missile's brain, is installed to process infinite data streams. Inertial and satellite navigation sensors are precisely calibrated, ensuring pinpoint accuracy in any environment. Multiple warheads are integrated, each one programmed for optimal effect and mission readiness. Rigorous safety and detonation checks are performed, verifying every critical system for flawless operation. Final system calibration and digital testing confirm the weapon is fully guided and ready for the ultimate test. Complete system, engineered for one purpose: absolute mission success.
Before launch, every system is rigorously tested. Engine, guidance, and warheads undergo final diagnostics. Our scalable solutions ensure comprehensive assessment coverage, from the smallest valve to the main engine. Early issue identification and real-time analysis mitigate risk, ensuring mission success. With a user-friendly interface and detailed reporting, we confirm readiness. All systems are green. The asset is ready for ignition. The Sarmat ignites with immense force. In seconds, it rises into the night sky, achieving supersonic speed.
In mid-flight, advanced navigation systems take control, steering the missile with unparalleled precision. Real-time trajectory adjustments ensure the warhead is delivered to the exact point of impact. Guided by a constellation of satellites, its robust navigation algorithms process data at the speed of light. Enhanced threat detection and high-speed accuracy ensure no target is out of reach. Target is in sight. The payload is ready for deployment.
The missile completes its mission with unmatched precision. RS-28 Sarmat demonstrates the pinnacle of missile technology.